Welcome to another episode of First Try DIY, and this time we are going to review and unbox another vacuum cleaner. It's the Perysmith Extreme Dust Mite Vacuum from the V10 series. So let's take a look at the specs of the vacuum cleaner. Okay, a quick look at the specifications. It has a 12 watts UV light and a power of 700 watts. Voltage is 220 to 240 and the vacuuming power is 15 kilopascals with pulsating pads at 10,000 beats per minute and a cord length of 5 meters. The dust capacity is 0.6 liters and the gross weight is 1.6 kilograms. Okay, here are some interesting features of the vacuum. Number one, it has a 15 watt UV light, which is quite strong. The regular ones are just 4 watts. And number two, there are pulsating pads underneath the vacuum. And number three, it has a 15 kilopascal suction pressure, just like a big vacuum already. And number four, which is really nice, it has a 0.25 micron HEPA filter. So it's the first time that I've heard that the vacuum uses a HEPA filter. It's the one that is used for high efficiency filtering, mostly in laboratories. So it's nice to know that it's using that kind of filter. So let's not wait too long, and let's now unbox the vacuum cleaner. Okay, let's see what's inside the package. Actually, I'm not really familiar with the Perysmith brand, but we decided to buy this type of vacuum because we needed a smaller vacuum for our kids' play area, also for the bed. And I saw this particular brand. It has really nice color. The contrast between gray and purple is really nice, and it looks really premium. Another reason why we bought this vacuum is the sterilization feature. It has a UV light, which is pretty useful if you'd like your kids' play area to be, free from germs and all that. Also, dust mites. It's a vacuum for dust mites. So what's really interesting is it has pulsating pads underneath that dislodges the mites if they're hiding in the crevices of the bed cover. So that'll be really useful in dislodging those mites. And of course, I got really intrigued with the HEPA filter. So it's a high efficiency filter that is used in industrial applications and in the laboratory. So let's see. Please stay and watch until the end of the video because we will be doing an actual testing of the vacuum cleaner. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. Perysmith, that's the name on top of the box. Let's see. There you go, it has a user manual included. Extreme Series V10. Okay, that's the model name, I think. There you go. I'm really excited about this vacuum cleaner. Okay, it's covered in plastic. And it's quite light. Okay. Here's the free HEPA filter replacement. It's nice to have this one ready. Okay, really nice color. The purple and the gray is really complementary. Okay, that is the UV lamp. Okay. Let's see the tech specs. Okay. The model is V10, 220 volts needed. It has a power of 700 watts, and that is the serial number. Really nice vacuum. It's shaped like a letter T with a futuristic design. Build-wise, I think they thought a lot about how it looks, so it's really nice to look at. Personally, I bought this just because I like the way it looked. So it looks premium, I mean, considering the price. I think we bought this for just less than 2,000 pesos. We bought this because they have like a sale price. Okay, really nice and shiny. This purple one is where you put the vacuum filter. It's the dust canister, I think. Dust bin. Really nice vacuum. Okay, let's disassemble the dustbin or the canister. Okay, to remove it, you just need to pull it up. There are no clips whatsoever. Really easy to remove. Okay, to remove the filter, turn it counterclockwise and then pull it out. Inside, you'll find the HEPA filter enclosed in a stainless steel canister. Put it back. You just need to push it in again. There's a guide notch. Okay, and then turn it clockwise to lock it. And now to put the canister back, just push it back in. No clips whatsoever, no locks, so it's really easy to use. Okay, here's the moment we've been waiting for. I'll be testing this on my kids' play area. It's not a bed, but let's see if it's gonna work on different areas of the house. This is a plastic mat that we set up for our daughter. I can feel the strong suction power. It's really vacuuming the strands of hair, all those small dirt. And aside from having the play area free from dirt and hair or whatsoever small particles, it's also disinfected already because of the UV light that the vacuum has. It's really easy to move. You can maneuver it easily because of the wheels, and you can really also feel the pulsating pads vibrating hard. One good feature of this vacuum is that the UV light turns automatically off when you lift it up, so there's no worry of exposing your kid or exposing yourself to harmful UV rays. So it's really a nice feature of this vacuum. You can see the UV light. There you go. thorough vacuuming of my daughter's play area. Surprisingly, it's really nice to use. I love the feel of the vacuum. It's really easy to maneuver, and it's not that heavy. Vacuum power is also strong. There you go. Next stop is our bed. It's really easy to to use this on the bed. The two wheels are really, there you go. You can see the strong suction power. It lifted the bed mat of my daughter. Just a little more and our bed will be thoroughly clean. Dust mites, you might not be aware of it because we can't see them. They're microscopic, but they might be on your bed. Okay, here are all the hair and the dirt that this vacuum has sucked up. Look at that. For just less than 5 minutes of vacuuming, you get all that dirt. So I think this is a good buy. Really good vacuum. If you like this video, please subscribe and see you again on the next episode.